Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check YouTube Shorts earnings. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to check anything concerning your content in YouTube, you will be needing your YouTube Studio. And basically either you want to consult the analytics or earnings or whatever on your shorts or on your content, you will be needing to go to this YouTube Studio. So after you go to your YouTube Studio web app, you will be needing just to go to your content, and basically from here you will need just to click on it. And as you can see, those are some analytics concerning only these YouTube shorts. And basically from here you can see the uploading dates, visibility restriction, etc. And those are some analytics. And all you need to do for to see the earnings or some exact things, you will be needing just to go to some kind of analytics. And here you can, for example, click on top content, or you can just go simply to all your content and click on shorts. And basically, we'll be seeing your shorts here. You will click on this short, and basically, we can have some specified things concerning this short. And for the earnings, you can simply just come here to the earnings and you can simply go here and start. Of course, you need to already have some eligibility, and then you can see all the tools or all the earnings and their source that would be showing from here. And then you can consult by video. So as you can see, there are zero uploads, etc. and some things since I'm not already eligible to have earnings. But basically, you will have all the earnings here from the earned media, and then you can start choosing or filtering by videos so you can be able to see the earning of a specific video. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.